In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Todoist with Google Calendar in a step-by-step guide for 2025. This integration will help you keep your tasks and appointments centralized, making organization and productivity even more effortless. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Todoist website and log into your account. If you haven't signed up for Todoist yet, you'll need to create an account, but if you're a returning user, simply enter your credentials to access your homepage. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already. Your next step is to locate and click on your profile picture or avatar, typically found at the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select the Settings option. The Settings menu is your gateway to a variety of customization options within Todoist. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Calendars tab. This is where you'll manage your calendar integrations. Click on Calendars, and it will bring up the integration options available. You'll want to find and press the option that says Connect Google Calendar. This action will redirect you to a new page where Todoist will ask for your permission to connect with your Google account. Here's a quick tip. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you're choosing the correct one to integrate with Todoist. Once you've chosen the account you want to connect, you'll be prompted with a window asking for various permissions. If you're comfortable, go ahead and click Continue. This step may require a few confirmations just to ensure everything is set correctly, so don't worry if you have to click Continue more than once. After granting the appropriate permissions, you'll find yourself back in the Todoist settings. Now with the option to sync tasks between your Todoist and Google Calendar, you'll want to toggle on Sync Tasks to Calendar. This setting ensures that tasks you create in Todoist will automatically appear in your Google Calendar, providing a seamless library of all your appointments and tasks in one place. Additionally, there's a setting called Sync All Day Tasks. Turn this on if you wish to keep track of tasks scheduled for the entire day within your Google Calendar. And there you have it, your Todoist and Google Calendar are now linked, creating an efficient and organized workflow where all your tasks and calendar events align conveniently. Whether you're planning work assignments or personal appointments, having them all scheduled in one place not only saves time but enhances productivity. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do in managing your daily tasks and events.